Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Tobias and today we're going to unbox these walls and fences for Warhammer the Old World, or whatever game you're playing. So we've got one scenery set here, and the back. And this box contains 2 of each of these walls and fences down here. Looking great, painted up. So yeah, let's have a look inside. Now we've got these sprues. And no much assembly here. Just clip them out and paint them. So that should be nice for once. And another one just like it, so another sprue with all the same stuff on it. Let's just have a look to see if that's true. If I can put them in the same direction, maybe. Like this. So 2 of the same. Well, that was it for this box. No assembly guide, because it's not needed, so that's nice. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.